Okay, question 7 then. Wave has a velocity of 45 meters per second and has a wavelength lambda of 50 centimeters. What is its frequency? Now, if we look at the two units here, one is meters per second and one is centimeters. So the first thing we have to do is convert this wavelength into meters. To get from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. So if you think about 50 centimeters divided by 100 is 0.5, and 50 centimeters is half a meter, would be another way of saying that. What have I done there? That should be a question mark. Write out the equation you're going to use. V equals F lambda. 45 equals F times 0.5. Same way if it was F times 2, we would divide by 2. If it was F times 10, we divide the side by 10. Just because the decimal doesn't make that any different, we divide this side by 0.5, and we do it to this side as well. Gives us 45 divided by 0.5 equals F. And if you type that into your calculator, that will give you 90. It's a frequency, so it's measured in hertz. Next one. A wave has a frequency of 290 hertz. What is a wavelength? If the velocity of the wave is 220 meters per second, write out your equation. V equals F lambda. 220 equals 290 lambda. Divide both sides of the equation then by 290. Type that into your calculator and it gives you this 0.7586206.897. We don't expect you to write that all down. We would tend to keep our answers to 3 significant figures. So there's the first, there's the second, there's the third. Now doesn't mean that we write down 0.758. Because the number after the 8 is 5 or bigger, we have to round the 8 up to 9. So we'd write down 0.759. It's a wavelength, so it's measured in meters.